Hi guys. The Google Pixel 4a has finally arrived. We're here to tell you everything about it. In this Google Pixel 4a buyer's guide, we bring you all the info you need to make a smart purchase decision and to make the most of your new phone. Before that, please make sure that you subscribe our channel and hit the like button, thank you. The Pixel 4a costs $349 in the US, where it's available in only one size, one color, and one storage configuration. It competes with the iPhone SE, the OnePlus Nord, outside the US, the Samsung Galaxy A51, and a slew of other affordable phones from brands like Xiaomi and Realme. We think the Google Pixel 4a is a great pick for the money, especially in the US, where value-focused brands like Realme and Poco are not present. At $349, it's a great phone for those who want something solid and functional for day-to-day use, with added niceties like a high-quality camera and a beautiful screen. Now, Google doesn't have a stellar track record as a phone maker. Some previous Pixel phones have suffered from hardware issues. Also, Google phones are rarely on the cutting edge in performance and battery life. The Pixel 4a is no exception. Keep that in mind if you want the highest reliability or the best specs for your money. The Pixel 4a is the follow-up to the Pixel 3a, which was very popular last year. The 3a was our most recommended device of 2019 and all signs suggest the Pixel 4a will follow in its footsteps. Our own David Emil reviewed the Pixel 4a and came away impressed. Calling it a no-brainer, David noted that the Pixel 4a gives users one of the best experiences on Android in a well-designed chassis, for one-third the price of modern flagships. That last point is crucial. Many customers feel that flagship phone prices aren't really justified. The Pixel 4a is not a flagship, but it offers a good enough experience for a very decent asking price. That helps it stand out. An poll Android Authority ran back in May. Almost 90% of the 6,000+ respondents said they're excited for the Pixel 4a. Some of that excitement might have been lost on the way, as Google inexplicably delayed the release of the device. Still, it's safe to say a majority of Android fans are looking forward to the Pixel 4a. In another poll from July 20th, we asked people to choose between the heavily leaked Pixel 4a and the heavily hyped OnePlus Nord. The Google phone came out on top, with 60% of the votes. That's impressive, considering how popular OnePlus is and how well received the OnePlus Nord has been overall.